I have is right here. It's super cute. I have a Bahamas, and maybe I like Bahamas. Should I do that Bahamas? I think so. I am going to apply condensed glue gels into this nails. This is really quick, simple, easy for all the nail tech who is like not really like so, or always feel a challenge. Like me myself, I can't really draw the flowers properly. I'm really like struggling and have a hard time, but then seeing this one coming out is so much better. I'm so happy with that. So the Instagram will be ending like a 1 minute and 20 seconds, so do not leave me, please, coming back to see me. And because we're gonna have two more nails to doing with. No wipe top coat. And then we're gonna place a crystal on it. Let's do no wipe top coat first. And now I can place a crystal something on the end. There you go, I found it. Great. I will be right back. Instagram, don't forget to tuning back in with me. I'll give it for a second. You need to end now?
You want to end?
Hi Instagram, welcome back to our live video. Sorry it was out because it's 60 minutes. And Instagram like will not let us go long like Facebook. So I am going to add some crystal on. And it really depends on what size you want. Like you can do a smaller one, it's totally great. Maybe do a bigger one because the bigger flowers. But you can do smaller ones. I think smaller one looks good. But I'll give it a try for the bigger one, so then you can doing this one. I am going to smaller. That's it. And just that, if you don't want to add crystal, you can just dot using a dot tool in different color. I would do them like as kind of yellow colors. But if you want to put crystal on, you can. It just be different. You don't have to like completely exact the same with so much fun with this. And then you keep in mind you can do it different colors. Doesn't have to be in white colors. I'm happy with this. I'm gonna pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Hello, thank you so much Instagram for tuning back in. Thank you so much. How are you, Miss Jada? Thanks so much for tuning back in. Hey Ariana, how are you? Hi Nail by Josal, how are you? Thanks so much. Thanks so much, Bojiliam. How are you? Thanks so much, King Kyle. Thanks so much for love and support. Fabulous. Hi, Emily. Thanks so much for tuning in. Great. So let's go into the next one. If you missed my live video earlier, just like an hour earlier, we did so many beautiful nails. We did like 3 different cute nails, and I'm waiting for the other nails. Like we did 2 nails transfer foil with crystal placement. It's super easy, so how you transfer it. And then one of the Mardi Gras nails, which is awesome, is right here. Great. This one is looking great. Simple, easy. And we are going to using a precision glue. This one will help hold all the crystal down. It's prevent it from catching on the hair, clothes. Like I have a sweater right now, but my nails is not catching anything on a sweater, which is like really, you know, pains when it before it keep catching, and now it's no more catching on my hair, on my clothes, on my scarves, on my sweater. It saved me now. It's helped the crystal last longer as well. Great. So I'm gonna pop this guys in the lamp for about